Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a look at the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the LVAC 200, a stick vacuum designed with a tangle-resistant roller, up to 50 minutes of runtime, and a focus on pet hair and allergy-friendly features. If you're tired of the hassle of tangled hair or constantly dealing with cleaning disruptions, this vacuum promises to make life a bit easier. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner comes packed with features that aim to address common pain points for home cleaners. First, the tangle-resistant roller is designed to minimize the frustration of tangled hair, whether it's from your pets or your own long locks. That's a big win for anyone who spent too much time untangling their vacuum brush. It's also lightweight, which makes it an attractive choice for people looking for a quick and easy cleaning session without straining their arms or back. And with a runtime of up to 50 minutes, you'll be able to tackle larger cleaning jobs without needing to stop and recharge too often. One of the standout features here is the versatility. It comes with a couple of useful attachments, including a 2-in-1 crevice tool and a 2-in-1 pet tool. These help you clean tight spaces, upholstery, and of course, pet hair, all without needing additional equipment. Plus, the easy empty dustbin lets you dispose of dirt with a single click, which makes cleanup as efficient as the vacuum itself. The roller is detachable and washable, so maintaining the vacuum is hassle-free and ensures it continues to perform at its best. Now, let's talk about filtration. The LEVOIT features 5-stage filtration, which effectively captures fine dust, pet hair, and allergens. This makes it a solid option for allergy sufferers, offering an added layer of protection for those sensitive to dust and dander. When you consider how much hair this vacuum is designed to handle, this filtration system is especially important. It ensures that particles don't just get sucked in and pushed back into the air, something that's crucial when dealing with pet hair or fine allergens. In terms of performance, the suction power is quite decent, with enough strength to handle both hard floors and carpets. On hard floors, it does a great job picking up dust, crumbs, and small debris, while on carpets, it manages to lift embedded dirt without much effort. The tangle-resistant roller helps keep performance consistent, especially when dealing with pet hair, which tends to clog up traditional vacuums. However, while the vacuum shines in many areas, it does have a few minor drawbacks. First, though it's lightweight, it could be a bit too light for users looking for something more substantial with a deeper clean on thicker carpets. In high power mode, the battery life dips a bit, so if you're tackling large areas or heavy-duty tasks, you may need to charge it more frequently. The 50-minute runtime is great for smaller spaces or quick cleanups. But for larger homes, it could feel a bit limiting if you're trying to do everything in one go. As far as noise levels go, the LEVOIT is relatively quiet for a cordless vacuum, though you might notice a bit of a hum when it's on full power. It's not disruptive by any means, but if you're sensitive to noise, you might prefer a model with quieter operation. The vacuum's build quality feels solid for its price. The plastic is sturdy without feeling cheap, and the attachments snap in and out with ease. One thing to note is that while the dustbin is easy to empty, it's on the smaller side. You might find yourself needing to empty it a bit more often if you have a large home or a lot of pet hair to clean up. In terms of value, the LEVOIT cordless vacuum does a good job balancing performance with affordability. For a vacuum in this price range, it offers a solid feature set, decent suction power, effective filtration, pet-friendly design, and thoughtful features like the washable filters and easy-to-clean roller. While there are certainly more expensive vacuums with more power and longer battery life, for someone who needs a lightweight, efficient, and easy-to-maintain vacuum for a smaller home or apartment, it hits the mark. When compared to similar models in 2025, the LEVOIT stands out due to its pet-focused design and the convenience of its tangle-resistant roller. There are other cordless vacuums in this range, but many of them don't offer the same level of pet hair management or filtration. If you're shopping for a lightweight, affordable option that still delivers solid cleaning performance, it's definitely worth considering. In terms of longevity, the vacuum is built to last, And with washable filters and a detachable roller, maintenance is easy. You shouldn't expect any major issues in the short term, but like all cordless vacuums, regular upkeep will help extend its lifespan. In the realm of customer support, LEVOIT has a good reputation for handling inquiries and offering warranty support. While there haven't been any major complaints about the vacuum itself, if you encounter an issue, you can expect a response from the brand's customer service team. To sum it up, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a strong choice for those looking for a lightweight, versatile, and pet-friendly option. It's ideal for smaller homes, apartments, or quick cleaning jobs. The Tangle-Resistant roller and 5-stage filtration are especially beneficial for those dealing with pet hair and allergies. While it may not be the most powerful vacuum for thick carpets or large homes, it offers a solid balance of performance and value for the price. If you like this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our latest reviews. If you've already got the LEVOIT vacuum or have any thoughts on its performance, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your life simple. Goodbye!